How to download Apex Legends on PC in 2022. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google and search for download Apex Legends like this. It will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do is click on the first option to download it from the official website. Now all what you have to do, as you can see, you can download it for free from here. As you can see, you can download it for PC or Steam, and you have many options. And after you click it, it's gonna start downloading, and yeah, everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later, and thank you so much.